Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you pixie haircut designs for lady to any more attractive elegance videos for you share with you, and different colors, combinations, hairstyles, and different amazing designs for everyone, like more amazing gorgeous videos. These designs are so perfectly designed for gorgeous videos, and you get many more amazing design. Hope everyone like more gorgeous videos. These designs are most fantastic and different amazing pixie haircuts and bob haircuts we are share with you, and you get many more amazing videos. These designs are so perfectly designed for amazing videos. You get many more amazing ideas. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friend daily, inshallah, wishes how you like our videos. If any videos related to any pattern for more elegant and gorgeous ideas, amazing see different colors combination and different designs for matching this dressing and office women, 60s women, 70 years women, like more amazing ideas. And these designs are so perfectly for everyone. You like me, and you like this channel, and keep watching us videos and more attractive designs for everyone. So amazing and gorgeous ideas, and these designs are so perfectly designed for everyone. You get many more attractive designs and different colors combination designs we are share with you, and the colors are more attractive ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more attractive and elegant ideas. You get many more attractive designs. Hope everyone like amazing gorgeous videos, and these designs are so perfectly designed for every more elegant videos. So friend, this video is so amazing. We are more elegant ideas and so perfectly designs. These designs, it's so amazing. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friend daily, inshallah, wishes I will like our videos. So let's go, inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.